In this video, we will cook the most delicious salad with blackcurrant. To cook the salad, we need the following products: blackcurrant, carrots, green radish, sprouted beans mung, parsley, cilantro, green onion, vegetable oil, salt to taste. Cooking process. Please rate this video if you like it or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. To subscribe to the channel, click on the circle with my photo in the center of the screen and to the bell to receive notifications of the release of new videos on the channel. This is especially true when new videos with gifts and contests for the channel audience appear. See you soon in new videos.